Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie and you're welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys how I fixed the pearls on this baby dress that I posted on my channel, the tutorial that I posted on my channel. So if you're interested to know how to fix these pearls, please keep watching, subscribe, like and share the video as well. Please, if you haven't watched the video, I'm going to be posting the link in the description, or I'll just link it up here so that you can check it out. It's a tutorial on how I made the baby dress. Okay, so guys, what you'll be needing is this pearl machine to fix the pearls on the dress. So, and you'll be needing your rivets as well to hold the pearls on the dress. So I'm actually done doing this upper one, so I'll be doing the same thing to the sleeve as well. So you first of all adjust the mouth, because if you are fixing the bigger pearls and then the mouth is the smaller one, it will not really work like that. And then if you are fixing the smaller one and then the mouth is big, it will be too wide for it, so you will just adjust it to actually fit. So for me, I actually used both the small and the big pearls, so I adjusted it when I was like doing it. And then fix it inside the space, that hole that is actually there. You fix it with the sharp one facing the upper side, because if you fix it wrongly, it's not going to like hold any pearl on the dress. So you fix it with the sharp edge facing up, and then you just put it like this, the same way you see like this, and then put your outfit before putting the pearl on it. And then you just go ahead and press the upper side. You fix it, place it, and then press the upper side to hold the bead with the dress. And then you just like do the same thing that I did, hold the handle and then press it on it so that it will like hold on the dress. Yeah, I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying, but like just follow the way I'm doing. It's really easy. That's exactly how to fix it. But if you are actually fixing the pearls, if the pearls are going to be much, it will take a longer period of time. So just pick a rivet and then fix it with the sharp one facing at the upper side. Then you actually place your outfit with the right facing at the upper side. The right side is actually going to be facing at the upper side, and then you place it, press it down to hold the bead, and then you just hold the handle and then press it on it so that the rivet will actually like hold on the pearl at the upper side. So you just continue fixing it until you are okay with it on the dress, with the design you're actually working on. So yeah, continue watching to the end, guys. Thank you. So guys, when I was actually fixing it on this sleeve, I made sure that like I leave a space at the edge because I'm sewing it at the upper side and the downside and also the side as well, so that I will not get close to the edge. So basically I'm actually done doing everything. I'm done fixing for the main dress and also the two sleeves as well. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. If you're still here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and also share as well. Thank you, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. So guys, there is one thing that I did not actually mention. I was supposed to use white beads for the dress, not milk. See that the beads were actually milk, not white. The white beads that I actually bought were fake ones, so they were breaking. So thankfully my boss was there to actually help me with the milk ones that also went well.